Welcome to this tutorial on Venmo requests, a convenient way to ask friends or family for money using the Venmo app. To start, let's define what a Venmo request is. A Venmo request is a way to ask someone for money through the Venmo platform, allowing users to request funds from others for various reasons such as splitting bills, paying back loans, or covering shared expenses. To send a Venmo request, you need to have a Venmo account and the recipient must also have a Venmo account. To initiate a request, open the Venmo app, navigate to the payment screen, and select the request option. Enter the recipient's name, email, or phone number, and the amount you are requesting. You can also add a note to explain the reason for the request. Once you send the request, the recipient will receive a notification and can choose to accept or decline the request. If accepted, the funds will be transferred to your Venmo account. It's essential to note that Venmo requests are only available for users with a verified account, and the recipient has the option to decline the request if they choose to do so. Best practices for using Venmo requests include being clear and concise in your request note, ensuring you have the correct recipient information, and only requesting funds from people you trust. It's also crucial to keep in mind that Venmo requests are subject to the platform's terms and conditions, and users must comply with all applicable laws and regulations. In practical scenarios, Venmo requests can be useful for splitting restaurant bills, paying back friends for concert tickets, or covering shared household expenses. For example, if you and your friends go out for dinner and want to split the bill, you can send a Venmo request to each friend for their share of the cost. In conclusion, Venmo requests provide a convenient and user-friendly way to ask for money from friends and family. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can effectively use Venmo requests to manage your finances and stay connected with others. Remember to always use the platform responsibly and in accordance with Venmo's terms and conditions.